Now let's solve a question on unbalanced force. Question number 3, page 21. The question says, the drawing shows two tug-of-war teams. Each person in the red team is pulling with a force of 250 newtons. And each person in the blue team is pulling with a force of 200 newtons. Part A. What is the total force exerted by the blue team? The total force exerted by the blue team equals their number times the force exerted by each, which is equal to 6 times 200 newtons, which is equal to 1,200 newton. So the total force exerted by the blue team is 1,200 newton. Now part B. What is the total force exerted by the red team? The total force exerted by the red team equals their number times the force exerted by each, which is equal to 5 times 250 newton. So the total force exerted by the red team is 1,250 newton. Now what is the unbalanced force on the rope? So we have to get the net force of all the forces on the rope. The unbalanced force on the rope equals the total force exerted by the red team minus the total force exerted by the blue team, which is equal to 1,250 newton minus 1,200 newtons, which is equal to 50 newton. The last part, part D, which team will win? If we put the forces on the figure, we see that the blue team has 1,200 newton force and the red team has 1,250 newton force in the opposite direction. So it is obvious here that the red team wins since they have the bigger force.